Yo, what is up everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can copy Discord servers. So it's pretty simple, so watch this video carefully without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can copy your Discord server. So let's start it. So first thing you need is a XENON Xenon bot on your Discord server, both Discord server. So I want to copy this Discord server to this Discord server. So as you guys can see, there's nothing in this Discord server except two generals. But in this Discord server, there's just for fun movie time. So I want to copy this Discord server to this Discord server. So basically, first I need to be admin of both the server, and second, I need to invite Xenon bot in both of these servers. So first, I'm going to invite Xenon bot. So I'm going to go to my search engine and search for Xenon bot. Once you search for Xenon bot, you can go to where it says Xenon bot, xenon.bot. Once you come over here, what you want to do is click on invite over here. Once you click on invite, you want to select the server where you want to invite Xenon. So I'm going to add Xenon in the first server, which I want to copy, and click on continue, authorize, verify I'm a human. Then I'm done. The bot has been added on one of my server, as you guys can see over here. Now let's add another one. I click on invite again. I'm going to add him on my second server, click on continue, authorize, I'm a human. And he's added on my second server as well, as you guys can see, 1 and 2. So basically, after adding Xenon server, first go to the server which you want to copy. So I want to copy this server. So what I'm going to type over here is, I'm going to type x copy. So this is a command, you need to type this. After you type this command, it's going to show up over here, all this, command of Xenon. So first you want to copy this one, x exclamatory backup. You want to click on x exclamatory backup. Now what you want to do is, copy this x exclamatory backup create. Now after you copy x exclamatory backup create, you want to paste it over here as well. After pasting it, wait for some time, and after this shows up, what you want to do is copy this over here. After copying the first, link kind of stuff, what you want to do is go to the second server where you want to paste the server which you just copied. Basically just paste the thing which you just copied over here, wait for some time, and what you want to do is after this message pops up, you want to click on this tick mark over here. And wait for some time, and everything is going to be changed. Just wait. And as you guys can see, the server has been copied, and this server are the same again. So that's basically how you guys can copy server pretty easily.